Things off with the last bit of our customer's order. We have baby spiders and some scorpions that we got going on. Now this weekend is going to be pretty light. Like I said, a lot of the things that are going on that we're currently attending to right now at the time of this being uploaded is CarFest for work. So bit of an interesting week that we have in the next couple of days because we aren't there yet, but this is being uploaded the day of being there. It's wild. We're like in the midst of it. Anyways, we have that. We have an order of 1 box of filament and some new nozzles. I did get some notes from you guys to undo the screws on that front block and then look behind it. So I am going to do that on some of the printers today to see if they can fix the issues that I've been having. And if not, the new nozzles come in. So really looking forward to that. And if not, even if I don't, that's just extra stock that I can have. There's always a benefit to things, even though they look like they're not sometimes. Because I didn't want to have to purchase them, but I ended up having to purchase them. So there's positive to every side of things. And yeah, we're going to start printing a couple more pocket peeps this week to get that replenished because we are running low. We're going to do some varieties on what we have available. Spiders are looking pretty good. Lobsters are looking pretty good. Got 5 hours left here. 5 hours left here. It'll be done late tonight, but they'll be done, packaged up by tomorrow. Alright, these scorpions are done. These spiders are done. We're gonna pack this order up, have it ready to go for pickup. And then some new developments happened late last night. So it's on the laser engraving side, but it's part of the family print project business. I'm only going to mention it, but reminder, if those of you who are just brand new to the channel and don't know this, I do laser engraving as well. We got an opportunity on several of those last year. So I have a channel that's dedicated to laser engraving. It's not posted often. It's literally only posted when we have laser engraving opportunities. And we have a big opportunity right now. We have some slat coasters, some wallets, and some credit card beer bottle openers that are going to be ready for CarFest. And I have all of them being shipped today. And it is currently Wednesday. All of them are supposed to arrive today, which leaves me 1 day for CarFest to get every single bit of them done. And that's like 70 to 100 of each one of those 3. So got a lot of work on my hands for tomorrow, and hopefully I can get some of that started today or all of it today so I can have that process begun. But that'll be over there, and we're gonna get some more things printed. I should have my order coming in soon for the brown, because that brown is going to amplify how many things we could do, which is like camels, horses, everything in that atmosphere. I haven't done any horses, I haven't done any camels, so getting those pocket peeps done would be fantastic. And let's get it done. Some packages have arrived, gotta get them done. So we're gonna unbox this stuff here so I can show y'all kind of what we're going to work on for the laser engraving side of things. But these should be the wallets. And actually I have to open this side too. These are the wallets. I'm pretty much going to hand them off to Amanda to look at them. Oh, gosh, that was heavier than I expected. Yes, these are also the wallets, too. I'm just opening them so they can be ready to go. So it looks like the only thing I'm waiting on is the credit card bottle openers. So these are the slats. I like that it has the bottom already on there, which I didn't even take that into consideration. So we have these, and these we're going to laser engrave the logo that I designed. And what we've agreed to is that the back of them will have our promo on them of our business. We just finished going live for a little bit. Got to do some laser engraving stuff tomorrow, but we're going to go ahead and undo these guys on the build plate. Get them all set up for Friday in bags and stuff. Stay on the lookout because we're going to go live tomorrow as well doing the laser engraving side of things. So y'all can just chill with me. But eventually that will have its own page because I know y'all don't really like the laser engraving stuff too much on here, and it's kind of its own thing. But we will do that now so we can just, get y'all prepped up for that. And those that do want to watch can watch with us and learn and know about it. One of the things we're going to start trying to do on a regular basis as best as we can is live once a week, since things have gotten a little bit better and we're getting things done. But that's going to be the goal, is to at least do once a week. We're going to accomplish already doing 2 lives this week and doing one today, or having done one today and doing one tomorrow. I'm going to see the order status of where this filament is so we can find out when we can start doing some other prints. Might even do another batch of the scorpions because I do need some for myself. I'll go ahead and do that on this one. And should we go ahead and do the spiders too? Okay, well, I'll go ahead and do another batch of both of these, so they'll go. And I'll work on getting this one fixed and work on looking at that one, seeing if they can be fixed. And we'll see if we can get these back up and running. We'll have some more prints to go. On the family print project side of things, real quick, we had to get the battery removed and recharged. Had warranty on it. They won't replace it. We literally had to get that done because this is the car we're taking. Another live. Kind of prepping y'all to inform y'all that there's going to be a separation between the laser engraving and the 3D printing. That'll be the last live I do for the laser engraving to get y'all kind of up to speed on that more immediate. Yeah, we're laser engraving. We're making some adjustments to the design right now to have the veterans owned because it just doesn't look good with the camera on those products. Those are more for the shirts that we have on the way for the business autofocus. But yeah, so that's what I'm getting done, and I'll drop these off inside real quick. All right, so we just got back home getting the new design loaded into the We Create software. And if you guys want to see what's been going on, the family side of things, go check out the family vlog channel. It's very much appreciated. Got videos, shorts, and vlogs coming out almost on a daily basis over there. And let's get back to the grind and work. Also, one of the other things that I am doing right now is 3D printing a little rectangular thing for a example for the stickers that my buddy's doing for my boss on something that could potentially be a partnership between those two. So be on the lookout for that. So for my birthday, I got this Instax camera. This right here, which I need to turned off, which is off now. But I have this Instax camera. It prints out these pictures. And with my subscription to STL Flix, I actually have the ability to print out frames for it. But we're going to show you guys the process. I'll show you the back of them once I get this printer connected. But I have it ready to go. Here's the backs. Now, one of the things that I know that Flashforce needs to fix is, in order for the software to remember that my printer is there, I have to turn it off and turn it back on every time I print for myself. Now, I do know that there's a bug fix that I keep avoiding, but it's going to be a quick print. This will be done, but the other one will be done in an hour and a half, 2 hours, give or take. So there's that. But being able to print a couple of those are going to be pretty cool to have. Also, still laser engraving. Been laser engraving all freaking day. I have my logos preset on the laser engraver for where I want them to go on the wallet. Got it all set up on how I do it. Got a clamp to make sure it stays closed. Had my buddy drop off these shirts. This is what we're rocking for the weekend, all weekend. Did a phenomenal job, guys. If you need custom shirts, I will leave his link in the description box below. Let him know the Family Print Project sent you, and he'll get you hooked up. These guys are going to last you a while, and the detail on them is crazy insane. He also does these types of stickers that are waterproof, UV resistant, all that good fun stuff. Yeah, let's call it a night. Let's shut this down, and we'll pick back up in the morning. All right, last little bit of stuff. Going to do some more laser engraving as much as I can before we leave. Currently 10 o'clock. We're supposed to leave in 2 hours, so I got to get as much of this laser engraved as I possibly can. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all the actual Insta mini frames real quick. And here's the little mock-up of what it looks like. Magnets it has the ability for magnets, and it has the back, but this is what it will look like. So I'm really happy with the results. As you guys can see, we are in the car on the way to CarFest San Antonio. So if you guys are there, swing by the autofocus booth. It'll be there all weekend. I'll be there for all of Saturday and a half day on Sunday. Be on the lookout for that. Looking forward to seeing y'all there if y'all have the opportunity to go. And literally getting work started here in the car to get this video uploaded tonight.